Sure, here's a detailed overview of Jupiter, the largest planet in our solar system. Basic facts. Type gas giant. Position 5th planet from the Sun. Distance from Sun approximately 778 million kilometers, or 484 million miles. Diameter approximately 142,984 kilometers, or 88,846 miles. About 11 times wider than Earth. Mass 1.898 times 10 to the 27th kilograms, about 318 times the mass of Earth. Moons 95 confirmed. Largest are the Galilean moons, Io, Europa, Ganymede, and Callisto. Rings, yes, faint ring system. Day length approximately 9.9 Earth hours. Fastest rotation in the solar system. Year length approximately 11.86 Earth years. Physical characteristics. Composition: mostly hydrogen, approximately 90%, and helium, approximately 10%, with traces of methane, water vapor, ammonia, and other compounds. No solid surface. It transitions from gaseous atmosphere to liquid and metallic hydrogen under high pressure. Atmosphere: extremely thick and turbulent. Distinctive bands, zones, and belts caused by strong jet streams. Famous for the Great Red Spot, a giant storm larger than Earth, raging for at least 300+ years. Other storms and ovals form and disappear frequently. Very cold upper atmosphere, approximately -145 degrees Celsius or -234 degrees Fahrenheit. Jupiter's magnetic field is the strongest in the solar system, about 20,000 times stronger than Earth's. This immense magnetic field generates intense radiation belts and extends millions of kilometers into space. The internal structure of Jupiter is fascinating. The outer layer consists of a gaseous atmosphere. Beneath that, the middle layer is composed of liquid hydrogen, which behaves like a metal due to the extreme pressure. At the core, there is possibly a solid rocky or metallic core, though its exact nature is still uncertain. This core may be approximately 10 to 20 times the mass of Earth. Jupiter's moons and rings are a captivating subject. The moons are incredibly diverse. Io is the most volcanically active body in the solar system. Europa has a smooth, icy surface and a suspected subsurface ocean that may harbor life. Ganymede is the largest moon in the solar system, even larger than Mercury. Callisto is heavily cratered and has the oldest surface in the solar system. Additionally, Jupiter has many other small irregular moons, which were likely captured asteroids. Jupiter's rings are faint and made mostly of dust. They were discovered by Voyager 1 back in 1979. Let's talk about the exploration of Jupiter. Pioneer 10 in 1973 was the first spacecraft to fly by. Then, in 1979, Voyager 1 and 2 revealed much about Jupiter's atmosphere, moons, and rings. The Galileo orbiter, which operated from 1995 to 2003, studied Jupiter and its moons in great detail. The Juno mission, which started in 2016 and is still ongoing, is currently orbiting Jupiter and studying its structure, magnetic field, and atmosphere. Looking ahead, future missions include the Europa Clipper by NASA, expected to launch in 2024, which will study Europa's habitability. There's also JUICE, the Jupiter Icy Moons Explorer by ESA, focusing on Ganymede, Callisto, and Europa. Here are some fun facts about Jupiter. Did you know that Jupiter emits more heat than it receives from the Sun? This is due to internal energy from contraction and leftover formation heat. If Jupiter had been about 80 times more massive, it could have become a star. Its immense gravity acts like a vacuum cleaner, helping protect Earth by pulling in or deflecting comets and asteroids. Would you like me to also give you a diagram of Jupiter's structure, or maybe a summary chart you could save or use? Also, I can share interesting mythological stories about why it's called Jupiter if you want.